Hello everyone, today we are trying a new concept. It's about experimenting soundscapes using our location on this physical room. And for this we have the Vive Trackers, and we have two of them, and each person should carry one tracker and walk around the room because we have four speakers, one speaker on each corner, two speakers here, and two speakers behind you, or the camera. First, I'm going to connect these guys, turn them on. Okay, light is blue, it's turning green, and as we see, we have here the application, the Vive application, showing the devices that are connected. We also have the headset and the hand trackers. And on Unity, we can also see that both trackers are working and are being captured and are connected to Unity. Once we have these guys on Unity, we can see that this tracker has an X, Y, and Z position and also an X, Y, and Z rotation. In this case, we are just sending or using the X and Z position. So the X will be like this and the Z will be like this, okay? And here we also have the margins or the corners of the room. So once we have this in Unity, we are sending these values into max MESP. As we can see here, I have the location of the tracker in the room with X, Y, and Z position and X, Y, and Z rotation. So in the future, we might use also the rotation of the tracker to manipulate in this case, sound effects, for instance. So once in max MESP, we are using the position of the tracker. When the tracker is close of the speaker, it will put the volume higher on that specific speaker. Now I am there, and this is the front of the room. So this is the front right speaker. And here we have the front left speaker. Okay, and we have these for both trackers. Okay, so we can see that they are working and the values are streaming from Unity into max MESP. And then we are sending these values as CC MIDI CC messages, and for this we also need to use Loop MIDI. It's a program that makes virtual MIDI connections. So we have sound 1 for one tracker and the sound 2 for the other tracker. And now we are using VCV Rack. So here we are in VCV Rack. We have two instruments, one for each tracker. And as we can see, as I walk on the room, we have these different mixers. What's happening here is each instrument is patched to a different mixer. So we have 4 audio mixers, and each mixer will come to a different channel on the audio interface, on the sound card. So we have 4 different channels, and the same instrument will go to 4 different channels, and the volume for each channel is assigned on a different mixer. So this instrument, I'm going to turn it on. So this instrument the sound will be louder if I come close to the speaker, and if I come close to this speaker, the sound is louder on that speaker. And now I'm going to move to these two speakers that you won't see, but you will see on the software. Okay? And the same here. And now I'm going to activate the second instrument. So now I have different trackers, one for each instrument. It might not be too clear on the camera because we are recording in stereo and you are listening in stereo, but I suppose you can understand the concept behind this. So thank you so much for watching this. We also want to acknowledge the European Commission and PIT 2020 for co-funding our project Interact, which is a project for research and development on new ways to interact with multiple users' installations. So thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.